In this video here, I'm just going to quickly show you how to go about and check a store's products to make sure that there's no deleted SKU. So what you'll do is I'll have you do 3 peak apparel, then you go to active products, and then I usually do like 12 or it just see what works for you, but I usually do 12. There's 25 on a page, so I usually do 12 and then 13. But if that's not working for you, if your computer's not loading for that, you could always do like 8 or 9. So I'll just go ahead and show you an example. So what I do here is I do those, just check them, then I'll press edit 13 listings. And then I'll go to SKU, and I'll go and I'll see if any don't have a SKU. So, right here, see this one doesn't have a SKU, probably running, okay? And then happy hour t-shirt, no SKU, same thing. And then my therapy, no SKU. So what I'll do here is I'll go and I'll find probably running sweatshirt. So I'll go to tags, and then there's probably running. So what I'll do is I'll screenshot this title and tags. This is just so it can be easily recreated at a future date. So I'll just screenshot it. And then I'll go to SKU, and then I will go and find the next one, which was happy hour t-shirt. Okay. So I will go to tags and I'll go to happy hour. I'll go find happy hour t-shirt. Here it is. So here's something. So basically we're going to have you try to figure out what the artwork number is for anyone that's deleted, because we need the artwork number to find the artwork in order to be able to recreate it. So under SKU, you can see that happy hour, right? This is the same design as this. I just know that because I was looking at it beforehand, but you may need to, check the artwork to make sure if you're not sure. But I mean, a lot of them you can just see, but this is harder to see because the writing's so small. But I just know it is the same design just because I got onto Dropbox and I confirmed. And also a lot of times the wording is the same, like at the beginning. So they both would say happy hour. And so it's important that you name it the right design. That's very important because if the artwork number is misnamed, then the wrong artwork will be printed on the garment if someone buys it. So if the artwork number is, let's say I accidentally put down 515X, then when someone buys, 500 and then when someone buys it, then it'll be the wrong artwork. So we'll know that it was misnamed. So then anyway, I know that happy hour, so I know it's 514X. So I'll go and I'll find it. Here's happy hour right here. So I'll just rename it 514X and I'll name it t-shirt. Oh, misspelled. T-shirt. Okay. And then I'll go, but then for this one up here, I guess this one up here has it too. So I guess it's not a very good example, but I'll find a different example. So yeah, these just are not very good examples, but I will show you a different way to find it. I'll show you a different way to find it after this. So then I'll go to my therapy and I'll go to tags and I'll go find, as I said, it's t-shirt, I think. Yep, t-shirt. I'll go to tags and I'll screenshot my therapy. So normally what I'll do is I'll just kind of go through and, do a decent amount, but I'll just kind of go and I'll end up doing you'll do this page and you'll go to this page and you'll do each page. But I mean, I'll just do a few more just to see if I can find another one to show you an example. Let's see if any of these. Here's another example right here. So this one here, is Nashville, so to be Nashville sweatshirt. So I will go to tags and I will do Nashville sweatshirt. So again, I see that the Nashville t-shirt's right here. So I will go ahead, so you can go ahead and see it's 435X. So then I could just do 435X sweatshirt. But another way to find it is you can just search right here, Nashville, right? And then you can see what the design looks like. So it looks like that right there. So then you can see, oh, these two right here are obviously the same design. You can zoom in, like Nashville, Nashville, they're both the same. So then you can just do that, just select the other one, because again, the sweatshirt, as you can see, is the one with the deleted SKUs. So you can go to Nashville t-shirt, edit, go to SKUs, and you can find, it's 435X, right? Sometimes though, it's in the copy section. So it's in the copy section, you would just search up here. Again, it won't be here because it's in the other one. But there's some other Nashville designs, but just make sure it's the right design, because these here say Nashville. Some of them do, but they are the wrong design, so it wouldn't work, okay? So then I'll go into the same thing here. So my therapy, I'm in copy. I'll go and search my therapy. So yes, this is my therapy, but it's the wrong design, as you can see. So you would not do that. You would go back to active, and you would search my therapy. And then I know that it is the t-shirt that's messed up. So, a lot of times I'll just go ahead and open them both up just to confirm. So you can go to SKU, and then you can see, yep, t-shirt messed up, sweatshirt's right. So 515X, so you would just do 515X sweatshirt. Oh, I cannot spell today. And then I will do the same thing here. I'll go to here, and then I'll do probably running. And again, you may have to search copy, or you may have to search active, depends. And then you can see here, probably running is, so I will edit, and then I will go to SKU. And then I will see probably running and probably running. The t-shirt is the one that's accurate. The sweatshirt's the one that's not. So then I will just name it 513X sweatshirt. And then once you get through them all, I'll just show you, because I have it pulled up a different way, but you'll upload them to Dropbox. This is what my Dropbox looks like. Yours looks a little different than mine. You'll go to Vela to recreate, which is just, in the main folder. You'll go to Vela to recreate. Then you'll go to Tyler. And then you'll just put these in here. And that is all that you do for that. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.